I was inspired to pursue a career in nursing because growing up I saw my mom, who was a nurse, and my grandma was a caretaker, always taking care of people, and I was inspired to do the same thing. I want to care for people in the community. My first week of classes at Palo Alto College nursing was hectic because it's a new campus. We're all new to each other, so we're learning each other. The most challenging part of the program so far is just learning how to study the materials we're given. It's new, it's different, and overcoming that, I feel I have been able to lean on my classmates and my friends to get together and kind of help each other understand the information. Being able to earn my nursing degree at PAC will help me to not go into so much debt in order to pursue a degree that I love. The nursing facility at the SETC has a lot of materials, mannequins, for us to practice on and learn as many times as we need to. And I think that's the most important part of becoming comfortable with what we're doing, is being able to practice hands-on. Once I graduate from the nursing program, I plan to go into NICU nursing or pediatric nursing. My name is Angelina. I was made to care, and Palo Alto College is made for me.